Number 1. TIE FST. If you ever find yourself deep in the woods with no fire in sight, don't sweat it. The TIE FST has you covered. This is a fully self-contained fire-making kit built to keep you warm, comfortable, and more importantly, alive. The TIE FST is a titanium billet stash tube that stores all your fire-starting essentials in a waterproof sealed compartment. Inside, you can house 4 strike-anywhere matches along with a ferro stash rod. There's even space for a German barrel-style pencil sharpener for shaving down wild sticks into tinder. And yes, it even packs a built-in compass. Hello, true north. Each TIE FST is machined from aerospace-grade G5 titanium with a fine matte finish. It's corrosion-proof from end to end and equipped with industrial knurling on both caps for solid grip. Number 2. Get X Go Emergency Kit. Survivalists and Bear Grylls in training, tune in. We've got a waterproof, fireproof, disaster-ready emergency kit that's equal parts brilliant and overkill. This is the Get X Go Emergency Kit, a backpack built to take on fire, floods, tornadoes, and pretty much whatever Mother Nature feels like throwing at you. And that's just the outer shell. Inside, it's loaded with supplies for real emergency scenarios. You get 5-year shelf-stable food and water bars, a thermal blanket, a rain poncho, KN95 masks, toiletries, a crank radio, a solar phone charger, plus a weatherproof notebook with a pencil for old-school message writing. The Get X Go kit also packs a seriously stocked first aid setup with bandages, dressings, basic meds, wound care, and survival tools. It's a no-brainer for campers, adventurers, or anyone living somewhere where high risk is part of daily vocabulary. Think of it as a portable lifeline. Number 3. XStat. If you're someone who deals with chronic or hard-to-treat wounds, you may want to grab an XStat. This is a groundbreaking treatment for gunshot and stab wounds, and it works in a surprisingly clever way. The XStat is an injectable hemorrhage control system that uses a syringe-style applicator to deploy rapidly expanding sponges directly into a wound cavity. Once inside, the sponges swell and form a barrier, absorbing blood and slowing the bleed. XStat was developed alongside the U.S. military for battlefield use, where fast stabilization can make all the difference. The system comes in 2 variants, the XStat 30 for larger injuries and the XStat 12 for smaller entry wounds. It's patented in the US and remains the only injectable hemorrhage control device of its kind on the market. Number 4. Lifesaver. Every Jedi dreams of owning a lightsaber, and while those aren't exactly hitting retail shelves anytime soon, we do have the next best thing for wilderness survival, the Lifesaber. This multi-function life-saving tool packs a USB power generator, a high-grade light and siren, a UV water purifier, and even a plasma fire starter. That plasma arc can reach temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit for fast ignition. The UV purifier eliminates microorganisms commonly found in rivers, lakes, and still water. As for power, just twirl the Lifesaber like a jump rope for about 15 minutes to generate enough juice to boot up a smartphone. Or if you're short on time, give it a quick 3-minute crank to wake a dead phone back to life. Number 5. Cranky Tree Steps. Tree climbing isn't just kid stuff. It's for grown-ups, hunters, adventurers, and anyone who needs a better vantage point on life. And the latest gear from Cranky Huntin' is here to make that happen. This 7-piece climbing kit gives you sturdy, no-nonsense footholds to scale anything from the noblest oak to the scraggliest pine. Whether you want to hunt, survey your surroundings, or just enjoy an elevated view of the world, these steps have you covered. They're not flimsy either. These are solid-body aluminum steps that install using the included ratchet wrench tool. The bundle even packs a carry holster for easy hauling, and if 7 steps aren't quite enough, you can add as many as you need, all while keeping the total weight under 5 pounds. Number 6. Prepared 4X Survival Torch. Alright survivalists, picture this. You're deep in the woods with a pile of firewood and 0 ways to actually spark it up. That's where the Prepared 4X Survival Torch earns its keep. This rope torch hybrid gives you over 3 hours of continuous burn time, plus thousands of strikes for ignition, and you can dial in the flame size however you want. The real standout feature here is its weather resilience. It shrugs off wind and rain like it's nothing. Where other fire starters tap out, this one can still ignite even after being soaked overnight. The rope itself is made from wax-infused hemp, which keeps it durable, reliable, and ready for action whenever you are. Number 7. Spika Strike Gaiters. If you're trekking through the rugged Australian outback, or honestly any place where things slither, you better show up prepared, and there's no better prep than the Spika Strike Gaiters. This heavy-duty lower leg armor straps to your boots and basically lets you march over snake country without donating your ankles to venom. They've been tested in some of the most snake-packed zones on the planet, and so far, not a single bite has made it through. Spika Strike Gaiters come in 3 sizes, and cleanup is as easy as a quick wipe down. And while they're designed for fangs and venom, they'll also guard your legs from thorns, bugs, and all kinds of creepy crawlies when you're wandering through dense woods or dodgy undergrowth. Number 8. Wyland Survival Axe. Alright axe lovers and tomahawk enthusiasts, chances are you've already come across the Wyland Survival Axe, and for good reason. It's practically mandatory gear for any outdoorsman or survival-minded wanderer. The Wyland Survival Axe includes a MOLLE-compatible sheath and is ideal for splitting or chopping wood. You can even throw it at game or non-game targets if you're feeling extra bold, and if you're really rugged, you can chop up your campfire dinner with it. The axe mounts neatly to your pack for everyday carry, and it's just as useful for carving wood to build shelter. And for the true bushcraft crowd, it's fair game for trap making, woodworking, and outdoor crafting. Regular crafting too, if you're brave enough. Number 9. Life Tent Survival Shelter. If you're out in the wild, minding your own business, and suddenly find yourself in need of a last-minute refuge, don't panic. The Life Tent from Go Time Gear has your back. This is a 2-person emergency tube tent designed to keep you warm, dry, and most importantly, very much alive. The Life Tent reflects up to 90% of your body heat, helping you stay toasty while it blocks out rain, wind, and snow. It also comes with a 120 decibel emergency whistle that can alert rescuers from up to a mile away, and during the chaos, you don't have to worry about tearing it either. The entire shelter is puncture resistant, so you won't accidentally sabotage your own survival setup. Number 10. Goal Zero Skylight. Back to camping. Because what's the point of being outdoors if you can't actually see anything? Enter the Goal Zero Skylight Portable Area Light. This beast throws out a massive 6,000 lumens of brightness, lighting up over 300 feet of terrain with ease. It uses warmer 3,250 KLEDs instead of harsh work light whites, giving your campsite a more comfortable, hangout-friendly glow. The Skylight carries an IPX4 waterproof rating, so rain, dew, and the occasional splash are a non-issue. Its internal battery runs for up to 8 hours on its own, but if you pair it with a Yeti power station, you can squeeze out more than 370 hours of non-stop lighting. You also get 4 brightness levels for different scenarios, and the entire unit packs neatly into an included hard shell case for transport.